In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a burn-down chart in Excel. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and start with a blank worksheet. A burn-down chart is a simple but very useful project management tool that shows how much work is left over time. It's especially popular in agile and scrum projects because it helps teams quickly see whether they're progressing as planned or falling behind schedule. Before creating the chart, you'll need to set up your data. Enter 3 columns in your worksheet: day, ideal remaining work, and actual remaining work. The day column represents the timeline of your sprint or project period. The ideal remaining work column should decrease steadily down to 0, showing the planned pace of completion. The actual remaining work column shows what is really happening as the project moves forward. For this example, you can use sample values like this: Day 1 with 100 for both ideal and actual remaining work. Day 2 with 90 ideal and 95 actual. Day 3 with 80 ideal and 88 actual. Day 4 with 70 ideal and 75 actual. Day 5 with 60 ideal and 63 actual. Day 6 with 50 ideal and 55 actual. Day 7 with 40 ideal and 42 actual. Day 8 with 30 ideal and 28 actual. Day 9 with 20 ideal and 15 actual. Day 10 with 10 ideal and 8 actual. And Day 11 with 0 for both. This gives you a clear comparison between the target pace and the team's real progress. Once the data is entered, highlight the full table, including the headers. In this example, that would be the range A1 through C12. Selecting the complete range ensures Excel correctly uses your labels and values when building the chart. Next, go to the Insert tab, then find the Charts section. Choose Line or Area Chart, and then select the 2D line option. Excel will automatically generate a chart with 2 lines, one for ideal remaining work and one for actual remaining work. Now click the chart title and rename it to Sprint Burndown Chart. A clear title makes the chart easier to understand at a glance, especially if you're sharing it with a team or including it in a report. After that, add axis titles by going to Chart Design, then add Chart Element, and then Axis Titles. Label the horizontal axis Sprint Day and the vertical axis Remaining Work. These labels help anyone viewing the chart understand exactly what each axis represents. Finally, format the lines to make the chart easier to read. Right-click each line and choose Format Data Series. For the ideal line, use a thin or dashed line. For the actual line, make it slightly thicker and add markers. This visual contrast makes it much easier to distinguish planned progress from actual progress. Once that's done, your burndown chart is ready to use.